good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah man, it's Cook and Inspire again. And it's Chef Garnet in the kitchen. Yeah man, so here we are. Today, it's gonna be a nice, relaxed, easy day. Yeah. Before I get into what I'm gonna be cooking, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment to our video if you like them. I appreciate them. Thanks you all for your support wherever you are. Chef Garnet is with you. Yeah man, because without you, I wouldn't have this platform today. Yeah, so here we are. And what I'll be doing today, I'll be doing some French fried chicken. Yeah man, Jamaican style. Everybody got their ways to do their chicken, but this is Chef Garnet's way. You can leave a comment, tell me what you think. Yeah, so here we have our chicken. I'm using one chicken which I've cut and I've cleaned with lemon juice. I use fresh lemon anyway, so fresh lemon I've used some vinegar and salt. I've soaked it in the water for around 15 minutes and come back, wash it off, because you have to clean the chicken properly, because chicken is the thing that's really raw and you don't want that raw smell when you're eating the chicken. Alright, so that's all done. And here we have it now. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna season it, let you see how we'll be seasoning our French fry. Yeah, so here we are. And you have to leave your chicken to marinate for at least an hour or two if you can, overnight best. So here we are, we're having some onions, some garlic, ginger, because you don't forget you want the flavor. I love to use ginger. Ginger is good for you, especially if you've got a cold. I'm using some Scotch bonnet pepper. Right, so here we have some fresh thyme. Because when we're frying these chicken, we're gonna take off all those season of them, just to flavor it up really. You can use the leftovers in the bowl to make your sauce, if you choose to. Right, so here we have some spring onions, scallion, which I've really, mashed up. Put my gloves on, as I'll be going in with my hand. See how those ground season, just get them in there. So I've leave the skin on to the chicken because you're gonna fry it. Yeah, you don't want your chicken flesh to come out too dry and crispy. The flesh, the skin, just give it a little coating. Yeah. So here I am. I'm going with some Maggi seasoning. Here we have some all-purpose seasoning. Right, so here we have some Cajun seasoning. I'll be having some allspice. We'll be going in with some Cayenne Pepper. And paprika. Right, so I'll be going in with some fine black pepper. Did I put some Old Bay seasoning in there already? Right. Here we are. So what we do, we're gonna get this seasoning on and get it underneath the skin. Let me rub this up and I'll come back. I'll be making up my wash to fry my chicken and the dry ingredients also for coating your chicken. So first of all, what you're going to need to do for your wet ingredients for your chicken, you need 2 eggs. some milk. Some milk, just need just a pinch of salt. Some Maggi seasoning. We're using some all-purpose seasoning. Some Cajun seasoning. I'll be using some black pepper. Cut some season here. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna whisk. If you look at the color from that season, give it that nice sort of a yellowish. You don't want to add too much because it will make the chicken too yellow. So what we're gonna need for dry ingredients is just basically the same thing. You wanna get your chicken seasoning very properly when you fry it. So we have Maggi, black pepper, some Cajun seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, and just a pinch of salt. What you do, you just stir that mix up. So rest this aside. I'll come back and show you what's happening. What we're gonna do now, so if you follow me carefully, let me get my flame on for my oil. As you can see over here, we got our Dutchy pot. Jamaican Dutchy pot. They say it black? Yeah, man. If you have a Dutch pot at home and it's not that color, that means you don't do no cooking at all in that Dutch pot. Yeah, so that Dutch pot does a lot of work. So here we are now. Our chicken ready. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in with our chicken in our wash. I call it my egg wash. Yeah, let's get those in there. Get your hands, don't be afraid to get your hands down in there. And so all the wash in the flour. Yeah. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna coat the chicken with our flour. So with the season every bits and pieces, just remove the skin and get it under there, and then shake off the excess. Look at that. Let's rest it on the tray. Yeah. You can see how lovely this looks. Yes, people. Let the kitchen hot. I'm telling you, man, if you can't stand the heat, don't come into the kitchen. Right, so what we're gonna do now, we put some oil in our Dutchy pot, and I'm gonna go in with some garlic and a bit of scallion, just to flavor the oil. Let that burn for a bit. Normally you put a piece of pepper, but I don't want a pepper in there at the moment. One of the ways I find when you're frying your chicken, I always put a lid on your pot. What it does, it tends to not make the chicken dry out too much. It's sort of a cook it. And then I give it around 6 minutes, cover it for 6 minutes, and then take it off and let it fry. And I find my chicken come out much better that way. So I'm doing now, going my first piece. I'm not frying my chicken, I'm only doing one whole chicken. That piece is mine. Very big. Now I get one. Yeah, man. That's it. I'll just give that around 2 minutes to really come to fry, and then I cover it up and I show you what it looks like. Yeah, so here we are again. People. Our chicken is almost done. As you can see, I'll put some over there to drain, and a bit of napkin and some on a grill, just to get the excess oil off the chicken. So I've got 2 pieces leaving there. I'm going to take them out now, and then I'll plate it up and let you see what it's look like. So here we're back again, people. Our French fried chicken is done, and this is the finished dish. As you can see, looking lovely. Look how lovely that looks. Nice and golden. So you can follow it step by step. You can't go wrong. You know, and here we have it. Chef Garnet in the kitchen, cook and inspire. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. Okay? Tell me how I do. Don't beat me too bad though, but tell me what I'm going in the kitchen and this fried chicken. Okay? In the kitchen and this fried chicken. So that can rhyme. Yeah, man. In a time. Yeah, so I'm just gonna dig into a piece of it right now. Let me cook it. Let me taste it. Me first taste it. Yeah, man. So let's see what I got. Let me have some sauce. Already deal it for that. Look at that. The chicken comes straight off the bone. Wow. I don't want a piece, but now I get none. Until next time, cook and inspire in the kitchen. Now I'm out the kitchen. Catch you on the next one.